Fall is officially here. I cannot be more excited about that. I love the fall time. I love darker colors, and I love spicy, warm tones as well. This makeup look, this fall inspired makeup look, is sponsored by Wet n Wild. Thank you so much to Wet n Wild for partnering up with me for this video. I could not be more excited. Wet n Wild, you guys know, very affordable, high quality makeup. You can find them pretty much everywhere. wetnwildbeauty.com, Ulta, and pretty much all major food and drugstore chains. I mean, what's not to like? There's also a little bonus for you, 25% off coupon down below, and a link so you can shop wetnwildbeauty.com, get some of your fall essentials, or maybe just your everyday essentials, and save some money while you're at it. I could not be more excited to share this look with you, especially look at this super glowy, dewy skin. I used these two products, these two, the MEGAGLO loose highlighter and the MEGAGLO highlighting powder. They're super nice year round, but for the fall time when the air gets a little bit more drier and your skin gets more dull, you can still have beautiful glowy skin despite the air being dry. This look is super easy, very fall. We're gonna throw some fall vibes your way. And yeah, let's get started.
To begin, I'm going to be spritzing some of this primer water. It's rose scented, which is one of my favorite scents. It felt so nice. After that, a little foundation. I'm going to use the makeup sponge that I wet under running water. You can also choose to spritz a little bit of that rose water, and it feels and smells so good. I highly recommend it. So I'm just gonna apply my foundation, blend out my concealer using the sponge. It's super easy, especially with the more pointed edge. I'm going to use such an old school trick, so I'm gonna use my lip color on my cheeks as blush. This is the shade CEDAR Later, which is I love a good pun, but it's a nice neutral pink and it blends out so well, especially with that makeup sponge. Like, those two were a match made in heaven. I even applied a little on my nose like I always do. You guys know that. And since I'm oily year round, I'm just gonna set my makeup with some powder. Now for the eyeshadow. This is the My Glamour Squad eyeshadow palette, which is perfect for fall. I'm going to begin with the transition color and I'm going to place it all over the crease. Now I'm going to move on to this burnt orange. You guys know how I feel about orange. I mean, you can just see the hair. So I'm going to place that on the outer portion of the lid and crease, and then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that dark reddish shade just on the outer corner, because it's quite an intense shade. Now I'm going to go back with the transition color and I'm just going to blend everything out, make sure nothing's looking muddy, none of the colors are lost. Then let's move on to the shimmer shade. It was so hard to choose a color, but I went with my favorite, which is the gold. And it's super, super metallic. You can always choose to wet your eyeshadow brush with the primer water to make it more intense, but this color was just intense on its own, which was crazy. So now on the lower lashes, I'm just going to use the same three matte eyeshadows that we used on the eyelid. So transition color, the burnt orange, and also just a tiny bit of the red to finish off this warm tone eyeshadow, which is perfect for fall. I originally thought the eyeshadow was going to be the star of the show until I saw this eyeliner, which became a fast favorite actually. So I have really oily eyelids. A lot of eyeliners tend to flake, smudge, or transfer on my eyelids. I'm happy to say that this one actually lasted really well. I experienced no flaking, no smudging, and no transferring. And once I saw the little flecks of shimmer, I decided to just go big. Do a very thick winged eyeliner because the effect is subtle, but it's so stunning, especially when the light catches the little sparkles. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply quite a thick coat of the Mega Volume Mascara because I like really big lashes. If you're clumsy like me and you end up getting mascara on your skin, don't worry, just let the mascara dry completely and then you can just flake it off using a Q-tip. It's super easy. If you make a mistake, take off a little bit of the concealer, use the sponge, just bop it where you need it. Now I'm going to go with the Mega Glow Loose Highlighter in the shade I'm So Lit. This can go either very subtle, just like dewy, healthy skin, or very dramatic. So a little goes a long way, but if you want to go all out, go all out. This is intense. Now I'm also, because I'm feeling extra, gonna use the highlighting powder in Blossom Glow, which is a little bit more pinky, and I'm using a denser highlighting brush to just buff that highlighter into the skin, and this gives the effect of very dewy, healthy skin. For the inner corner of the eyes, I'm going back with I'm So Lit and just using my finger to tap that highlighter into place. Now for the lips, I went with CEDAR Later once again. So this is not your regular CATSUIT liquid formula. This is the High Shine, which is almost a hybrid between a lipstick and a lip gloss. It's super comfortable. You can choose to use it more as a stain, or you can just layer it up, get full coverage color and also high shine. I'm usually not into lip glosses. I find a lot of formulas to be very sticky, thick, and goopy. This is neither of those things. It's actually quite comfortable. Very, very good formula. I highly recommend it. It became one of my favorite lip formulas, especially from Wet n Wild. So now to finish off, spritzing some rose water, and that's it for this fall inspired look. Thank you so much to Wet n Wild. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget there's a 25% off promo code in the description, and yeah, that's it. Enjoy your fall. Fall is life. What can I say? Fall is life.